So you join me now, heading closer to the bottom of a big fucking scary hill. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. How scary is this? Nice though. It's the top. It's the top. I'm scared now. Fucking hell, bit windy. Well, that's the bad boy. Well, that's that. I think I'm going to go home. Well, I survived another. Sorry Bill, I didn't use the airwack, but I think I might have died today as I was nearly getting lift off this thing, which is only 11 metres square. So yeah, really good, really cool. I'm on my way back now and I'm going to have a drink of tea.